Gentlemen, today we are teaching you how to make her want you more than a friend. This can be tricky to do, so I'm going to give you some tips that will help you break the ice. And when you're finished watching this video, you will have the knowledge that can make you more successful with women. Let's go. Number 1. Try to be friends with the girl first. Your first goal is to get to know a few things about the girl. If you both go to the same school or college, you can partner up with her in a class that you both do. You need to be easy to work with and put in a lot of effort and listen to what she says. You should try to find out what her interests and hobbies are and what she is passionate about. If you can ask her a few questions around these topics, this will show her that you are interested in her and a friendship can begin to develop from this point. You can pick her when you choose teams for sports. Give her reassurance after the game that she did really well and that it was fun playing with her. You can make a strategic friendship with one of her other friends. It doesn't matter who the friend is, as long as you don't openly flirt with her. The friend should give you an opportunity to get an introduction with the girl. Number 2. Make eye contact and smile. Eye contact is a perfect way to let a girl know you like her without saying so. You need to look her in the eyes, don't shy away and don't check her out below the neck at this particular time. If she meets your eyes, smiles back or blushes, then you may have a chance. If she frowns or gives you that what the heck look, back off for a while. Remember though, she may get a lot of attention from other people, so that look may be automatic if you are a stranger or a near stranger. Don't give up hope over one little frown, maybe she has something in her shoe. Wait a while and try again later. Number 3. Go ahead and introduce yourself. Don't rush right up, take your time, remember you are building a friendship. Being overly aggressive is likely to scare her or creep her out. A really simple basic introduction works fine. You can say, "Hi, my name is," "It's nice to meet you." You don't always need a fancy pickup line to impress her. If you're a little shy or bashful, you can go up to the girl and say something like, "I'm sorry, this is so awkward, but I get really nervous around pretty girls. My name is Joe." She might just melt if you pull this off casually. If you're a little more confident and want to add a little pizzazz to your introduction, you can try something like, "I hope you know how hard it is to summon up the courage to talk to the prettiest girl in school. I'm Joe, how are you?" Number 4. Start a conversation with the girl. You can talk about something safe like school, college, the weather, books and films. You can then ask her something about herself. You need to really listen to her answers. Don't talk about yourself too much, otherwise you may come across as insecure. You need to keep the focus on her in the conversation. You should try to avoid conversations about religion, politics or other hot button topics. Religion and politics are best not talked about because they make us feel very strongly and they divide us by party or affiliation. What that means is that if you're religious and she's not, or she's one party and you're not, she's likely to not give you a chance, without looking at your other qualities. You should save religion and politics for later. Try to choose something that you think she might be really interested in. People like talking about themselves and by definition she'll like talking about one of her hobbies or interests. To do this, you can ask her some open-ended questions about her interests and hobbies to find out what she likes to do. A few examples you can use include, what is your ideal job and why? What did you want to be at 15? What are 3 things you cannot live without? What book are you reading at the moment? What was the last film you saw? What is your number 1 passion? If you get her going on one of these, you won't have to do too much talking and the conversation will feel natural. You need to pay attention to what she says to you in the conversation. Remember what answers she gives you and try to take some mental notes. When you listen to what she says and you respond appropriately, this shows her that you are interested in her as a human being. An easy way for you to do this is to speak a little and then listen carefully to what she says. This way the conversation will flow more smoothly. If you really think about what she says and remember it, you can use it to your advantage. It could help you think of the perfect gift or be the start of an inside joke between you and the girl. Number 5. Give the girl a compliment on something she is good at or interested in rather than how she looks. She was born with her appearance, but she earned her accomplishments. Look for some kind of skill like drawing, singing, or a sport that she plays. You should be genuine with your compliments. That said, many women put a great deal of effort into looking good. So if she has a nice new haircut or a new bag, it's okay to notice that too, especially if she has good taste. The mere fact that you notice something new or different about the girl will show her that you pay attention and that you like her. Reinforce the way she wants to be seen. Does she think of herself as an athlete, a thinker, or a social worker? Then give her compliments that make her feel incredibly coordinated, or incredibly smart, or incredibly compassionate. Find out the way she wants to be viewed and then compliment her on that. Now, if you want a solution to help you become the most confident and attractive version of yourself, then I recommend you have a look at the Confidence Unleashed program. Please make sure you click the link in the description box below now and it will take you through to the website. The Confidence Unleashed program is the solution to help you approach women with confidence and make positive impact. It will help you achieve success with women. Click the link in the description box below now to get started. I hope this video helps you. Please make sure you subscribe and please turn on notifications or you won't find out about my latest videos. If you liked my video, please hit the like button and leave some love because that really motivates me to keep making videos for you. Thank you so much for watching this and supporting the channel, and I will see you next time.